Hello everyone. So today we have these four fantasy castings. Yeah, these two are from HW Metro. These two are from HW Fast Transit. Okay, so let's open some of these. See, this is something that usually you don't see on the internet and on the YouTube videos. People don't buy these sort of cars. Okay, but I think they're really fun, and they come with some surprises, some tricks. I don't know. So let's get started with this one, speed dozer. Okay, supposedly it is to be very fast because of the exposed engine. You can see here, right? This is the 147 HW Metro. Where is it? Yeah, sorry, I'm the setup is a bit weird, top down, and there's literally a tripod between me and the table. Okay, so yeah, I hope you're getting the right view. Okay, okay, I have cut the card here. So I see that many of you haven't subscribed to the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel. It helps us to grow, and it also helps us to get these amazing videos. Okay, now look at this. Tell me that this is not amazing. Okay, this is the top. It says speed dozer, Hotwheels logo, exposed engines. Okay, these are awesome. The tires, they roll very freely and very smoothly. Also, they look to me as if they've done a whole day's work. Okay, there's some tempo here, you can see that. Okay, very nice. This is the base. It says, okay, I'm holding it in the wrong way. Okay, just said made in Malaysia. It doesn't say a speed dozer because it says right here. Yeah, let's do a roll test quickly. Nice, it doesn't wobble that much, and this is all made of metal. This is the plastic here, this plastic, but this whole green whatever you're seeing is completely metal. Weighs nicely. Yeah, I'll change the camera angle later on once I've uncarded all these. So this is the first one. We'll keep it right here. Okay, that's done. Yeah, I thought it was having the moving front. I don't know what is this called. Yeah, so this is the HW Metro. This is the next one. We have the 5 alarm. It is the fire alarm. Okay, so instead of fire they said 5 alarm, or maybe they have some, oops, I hit the car. I hit the truck, or fire alarm. My friend had warned me about that. Messing up the car. Anyways, they're for me, and never gonna return them or give them to someone else. Nice, did you see that? As if the car wanted to come out of the blister. So this is the S alarm. I suppose this is the moving part here. Yeah, it moves, right? So let me, okay, it clicks well. So this is the S alarm, 5 alarm, fire rescue. Okay, this is the base. It says 5 alarm. Base is plastic, only this is metal, the blue one, I guess. Wait, let me check. I suppose it is that, or it could also be the base. I don't know. Wheels roll freely. This is the side view. The other side, back, the front. Okay, it looked like this. Yeah, it looks almost the same. We don't have the headlight details though. It comes off like this. Yeah, let's see how it rolls. It makes some noise. it gives a good addition to your, if you're having a diorama and if you're trying to create a story, or if you want to showcase a city. And this is a very good what do you say, car or Hot Wheels truck that blends well in the background. Is this the paint issue? I think that's the paint issue here. Yeah, I had hit it here, so yeah, it has cut. See, the blade has left its mark. Okay, so this is the second one, and let's get rid of these. Next one we have is HW West Coast Flyer from the HW Fast Transit. I suppose this is supposed to be an engine. Yeah, let's crack it open. When I'm recording on my phone, okay, most of my videos are on my phone, so I hope nobody calls me. But then again, oh wow, this feels heavy. Look at this. Oh, nice detailings they have done here. There's some wobble on the wheels, see? Not in the front, but just on the rear. This is the base, West Coast Flyer. Nice red color base. It's not exactly red, it's maroon. Very dark shade of red. I am not good with color names. Excuse me for that. Oh, nice. HW Bullet 700 kph. No, they have given kph instead of miles per hour. Hot Wheels logo. Nice tempo work. This whole body is plastic actually. I think the base is metal. Yeah, the base is metal. This body is plastic. This is the front. Okay. We don't have these light detailings. We just have these creases here. This is the back. Let's see how it rolls. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have an issue while rolling, but there is some wobble. We'll have to check it. I'll show it to you once I change the camera angle. Okay, so this is the third one today. Yeah, it is coming out to be a mega unboxing, right? This is the fourth one. This is the trouble decker. Okay, this is the trouble decker. Okay, HW Fast Transit. Looks very nice. I had to get it. Okay, I'm a fan of these double decker buses, right? We have these in Mumbai, but apparently even they are closed now. Now you can see these in the London. I don't know where else they are present still. Okay. Oops. Okay. So, yep. Okay, see, this is how I destroy the car or the car sometimes. This is the trouble decker. Penang, Georgetown. Okay. Some Asian language apart from Hindi and many other Indian languages. Is this Chinese? I don't know. 28, nice. The color, the paint job has been done nice so far. Here, front, it doesn't have the tail lamp detail, headlight details. What is this? Let me know if you guys know what is this. Okay, I just realized that it is there on the card, but I never bothered to notice it. Oh, look at that huge wheel. A little bit wobble. Oh, you can see the stairs. Nice. Again, I think here the base is metal and the whole thing is plastic on the top. Let's see how this rolls. Okay, this is one of the most fantastic addition to your diorama and city sets. if you're into that. But it looks so nice, it looks so cool. I think it will be on my desk from now. Yeah, it is so nice. Okay, let me change the angle pretty quick. Okay, so we have a bonus item. We have the Rollin Solo. Okay, this is a fantasy casting, and I had to buy it with the McLaren P1 because apparently they were selling it in combos. That is the word that I'm able to recall. I wanted the McLaren P1, so I had to buy this too. And I've heard pretty good things about this casting, this Rolling Solo. I never had this Rolling Solo car before. I have to be really careful this time. Okay, nice job, GT. This one too. I'm so glad that it was recorded on the camera. Honestly speaking, it is very sleek. I never expected it to be so sleek. Rollin Solo, that's the name. Hot Wheels branding. No step anywhere. What is this that they have written here? I don't know, my camera is not able to catch it. Okay, Rollin Solo Hot Wheels. You have seen this graphics, HWGRFX, clone 5, number 5 all around. Nice wheels. I think this will be a very great track car. Yeah. Again, the base is metal here. Today, a lot of metal bases. This one, yeah. And this one. Oh. Rolls very smoothly. Not rules, it rolls. Come on. Okay, let me change the angle. Okay, we're back. So this one is the Rolling Solo. Let me know how it looks. It's a pretty basic car, but the casting, I'll give it 6.5 or 7, and the paint job is really good. There's no any irregularities, or they have not missed any spot, or there's no paint bubble or anything. It is very good. Yeah, so this is the one. We'll keep it here. Okay, the next one is this one. This is how it is. See, look at this. I'm so sorry about the bad lighting. Let me make it right. Is it any good now? I hope so. Okay, he won't reply to me, but please make sure you do comment and let me know if the videos are coming fine. So this has a very nice spoiler here because it is trouble decker, not a double decker, and it goes very fast. It rolls nicely, but it has a wheel wobble. See, you can see, right? Okay, this is the second one. We have the West Coast Flyer. If I've said the name right, yeah, West Coast Flyer. This is also a very good casting. I don't know if the wheel is wobbling too much. It's okay. We can manage with some wheel wobble. Next we have the S Alarm. Look at this one. Look at this one. It is nice. Oh, the boss of all, Speed Dozer. It can kill the Rollin Solo like anything. Okay, you don't have to. Let's check. I want to check this. Okay, no. And like this, nope, still not. It won't even hurt it. Okay, fine. I think that's enough crashing, but I wish it could, pick it up like this and throw it away. But yeah, that is it from today's video. So we have these very uncommon buttes among us, and also this Rollin Solo. Okay, I'm not able to fit all these in the screen, but yeah, you can picture it, right? So these are the 5 cars. It started with 4, but then 5. Why not? Why not? Why not? These 5 cars. Okay. These 5 Hot Wheels. So let me know what you guys think. How did you like the Rollin Solo, Speed Dozer, 5 Alarm, this one, Trouble Decker, and West Coast Flyer? Okay, I know it's a long video, and probably I should have given a heads up, sit down with a popcorn or some nachos, bite something, and no, not bite something, have something for some snacks. And yeah, I'll conclude this video here. Please do like this video, share, subscribe, and if you were skeptical about getting any of these, please get this. This is very nice. This one and this one, these two are absolute banger. I never thought them to be so good, actually. Yeah, so yeah, that is it for today's video. Subscribe to the channel, it will really help us a lot. It will support us. And do comment down if the video lighting was good, if the production of the video was good. What cars would you like next on the channel? Yeah, okay, that is it. And lots of love to you all, and keep collecting. Yeah, we are close to 50 subscribers though, so that is one small milestone in this very big and mega journey. Okay, that's it from the mega unboxing. This is Kushal Trivedi signing off for today. Guys, we'll see you in next one. Till then, keep collecting, and peace.